Have you been looking to making money from the comfort of your home, but you don't know exactly how to go about it? It's time to find out the right opportunity. Here is my own secret to making money online. I have been training, coaching and mentoring for over 7 years and have helped hundreds, even thousands of people make money online. I provide services for home-based businesses and amazing tips for online business opportunities. Do you know that you can make a part-time or full-time living online on a budget without spending tons of cash on advertising? Yes, that's right. My program is about keeping it simple and using common sense in the money-making process. Here is a digital comprehensive training program that will show you how to make money online without spending lots of capital. The program is for newbies. However, it does work for anyone who wants to improve their skills within the Make Money Online industry. Visit the website at the description and see how it works.